Okay, so got this drying up pretty good. The only thing that's still wet is this little spot here, but I think I can handle that with a heat gun without doing too much surgery. Used a bunch of paper towels to soak up what I can, take them out and replace them. And these last ones are actually pretty dry. This is a little damp here. This area was damp before I came out here, or rather when last time I put the towels in. Well, it's just damp, not wet, so there's no more water. This was a problem area too, but this is not leaking anymore. So I'm just going to keep applying heat. I got this lamp on it. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and measure this up, which was 13 inches. I'll add an inch or so, inch and a half on either side of this coring here, foam core. I'm just gonna cut 1-inch, 1.5-inch pieces to fit inside there, and I'll squeeze them in with some foam, some filler, glass filler, and that'll give me something to lay fiber against when I'm doing that. So, 13 inches. This is probably good enough right here. So those will fit in there. Might even cut them a little short. Should have added a little extra, or more than that, but I think that'll be fine. And then I'll be able to grind on top of that and lay fiber.